Assalamu alaikum. My name is Guti, and I am at our masjid in Westchester, Pennsylvania. As all you know, our masjid construction started 4 months ago. This week, alhamdulillah, we had a parking lot in front. As you see, all the front sections over here. This one too, and on the other side, it's all in the front. Inshallah, our parking lot is gonna be fit for 186 parking spots at the masjid, inshallah. As you can see, a lot of progress has been made over the last 4 months. Digging for the new masjid building is complete. Sewer pipeline work is completed, and building construction will start soon. Please set up a weekly or monthly donation and continue donation every Friday to make our project successfully. Jazakumullah khair.